Hey there, Tucker's Cove fans. Roberto Lee here at Tucker's Cove, and we're previewing a couple of villas here that are available to purchase. These ones right here next to each other, both of these are available. It's the queen floor plan, 2 bedrooms, a den. You get the 2-car garage, over 1,500 square foot. Let's walk inside and take a look. So both these villas have a side entry here. And as you come inside the entry, we'll start on the left side here. So right through this hallway, this is where you have your guest bedroom here. Then you have the laundry. That's your access to the garage through that door there. Full-size washer and dryer is included. You've got a linen closet, and here you have your guest bathroom here with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. Then we come into the main part of the home here, directly to the right off the kitchen. This is your den here with a dual door entry. And then directly across from me, right here where you see this electric cap on the ceiling, this is your dining space right here. So that's where you'd have your dining table. And then you have this Cove style kitchen right here. Now the nice part about Tucker's Cove is you do get gas at your cooktop right here, which is really nice. You will have a full set of appliances as well, the white cabinets. You have the quartz countertops here. And then right here, this is your main living space here. Your cable, and where most people are going to have their TVs located right on this side. And you'll probably have a few extra bar stools right there at your kitchen. And then we have your master bedroom space here, big enough for a king-size bed. You've got your sink here directly across from your water closet. You have your other sink here directly across from your full-size shower. And then right back here you have your walk-in closet space here. Last but not least, on these villas, you do have a private lanai out here. And you've got the concrete walls separating you and your neighbors, which is nice. And this particular building has the extended lanai, so you have all of this space to work with right out here as well. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this particular villa or the one right next door to it, you can contact us at all of the information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto. We appreciate you watching.